Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna do a full face makeup tutorial with you guys. I do have some inspiration right here, so I'm gonna do this makeup look and I hope that you like it. So now let's get started, but first don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, hit the notification bell and like this video. This is really important for me. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna use this palette by BH Cosmetics and this is the Weekend Festival. Look at this amazing palette. I am so excited. I received it a while ago, but I'm gonna use today. And look at these colors, they are so beautiful. I go to the neutrals today, as you can see, with a double wing in the end. And I really like how this makeup look turned out. This palette is really pigmented and I really love the quality, so I really recommend for you to try this out. And now let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is apply a I forgot. So the first thing I'm gonna do is apply a eyeshadow base all over the lid, and I already have a little bit of concealer because I was doing my brows just because it's not fun to watch, and I'm gonna do the skin later with you guys. So I'm gonna apply the shadow base Paint Pot Soft Ochre by MAC with my clean finger. I love this shadow base. So I'm gonna use the brush number 6 by the same collection, and this is a really big fluffy brush. I love this one, it's very firm and you can blend the shadows really well. So I'm gonna use this shade called Escape. Be careful with the shadows because they are so pigmented and you will see now. Can you see that? It looks so dark, but it's not once you blend it, and I just grab a little bit in the brush. Next, in the other corner of my eyes with the brush number 8, this pencil brush, I'm gonna apply the color Hipster, which is this dark brown right here. Now all over the lid and a little bit in the tear duct area, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow base primer by Sigma, and this is the shade Bubbly. I love this color so much, it's so beautiful and helps to stick the shadows in the place. Of course, the previous primer do it as well, but this eyeshadow base has some shimmer, and this is what I want for this look. To diffuse the edges of this eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use my finger a little bit. Now I'm gonna use the brush number 7, and I'm gonna apply the shade Trixie, however, this shade right here. I love this eyeshadow because it has the right amount of shimmer. It's not so shimmery, but it has a beautiful shine. Now I'm gonna use the brush number 10 and the gel liner Wicked by Sigma. I love this gel liner so much. As you can see, it's so dark, so black, and it's matte. So I'm gonna do this double wing right here and also a winged liner here in the tear duct area. Apply the gel liner in the lower lash line as well. And you can create the double wing at this moment. So when I finish to create the lines, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow base Bubbly, the same that I applied before, here in between the lines. And I was going to apply this eyeshadow base before I create the second liner, but I forgot, so I'm gonna apply it now. So I'm gonna use Bubbly in a really small brush, and this is A16 by Sigma. Now to smudge the lower lash line, I'm gonna use again the shade Hipster, this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna use the brush number 9. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, all of them, so be careful with this palette. Grab just a little bit of product. Okay, so I just applied my fake lashes and now I'm gonna do my skin. So I just applied my moisturizer and I'm not gonna apply primer today because I'm gonna just do this video and then I'm gonna remove all my makeup look. So I'm gonna use the Me Foundation by Maybelline. I love this foundation so much and I'm gonna apply it with a damp beauty blender. Next, I'm gonna apply the concealer Age Rewind by Maybelline, and this is the shade Fair. Mine is almost over, by the way, but that's okay. Gotta buy another one. So I'm gonna apply this concealer everywhere I want to highlight in my face as well. And to blend this concealer, I'm gonna use the same blender as before. And to set everything in my face, I'm gonna use Pure Makeup Powder by Maybelline with the number 1 brush by Beige Cosmetics. And now to bronze my face a little bit, I'm gonna use the setting bronzer, also by BH Cosmetics, and this is the shade Tropical Tan. I love this bronzer because it has some shimmer, but just a little bit, and gives a perfect effect in your skin. So I'm gonna use the brush, this one. This is the number 3. For blush, I'm gonna use Caribbean Coral Duo Cheek Color. Is so cute. I love this one. And I'm gonna apply with the brush number 2. I'm gonna use this. And now to highlight, I'm gonna use this beautiful highlighter by Ochre Cosmetics, and this is the shade Rodeo Drive. And to apply this highlighter, I'm gonna use the High Cheekbone Brush by Sigma. Just a little bit because it's very pigmented. I'm gonna remove the excess here. And I'm gonna apply this highlighter in the highest points of my face. This is so beautiful. So you can use my code Melissa for 30% off in ochrecosmetics.com. I love most of the products from Ochre Cosmetics. I think especially the highlighters, they are so good. And the liquids lipsticks as well. So in case you're interested, I'm gonna leave here in the description box my coupon code. And to finish off my makeup look today, I'm gonna go for a more dramatic lip, and I'm gonna use a lip liner by George Cosmetics. This is the shade Red Brick Road. I like this one so much, kind of matte red, but it's not so bright, and I really love this color. And the liquid lipstick that I'm gonna apply right on top is also by George Cosmetics. This color is so beautiful. This is the shade Gropey, so I'm gonna apply this combo today. And you also can use my coupon code in georgecosmetics.com, and this is Melissa JC. Oh my god, look at the color of this lipstick. Stunning! I love it so much. So this is the look that I came out. I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you did, and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it. I know it's boring, but I have to say it every video because this is really important, and YouTube is not helping. As you can see, I have 1 million of subscribers and my views are and this is happening because YouTube is not sending the notifications to everyone, so woo. But I hope that things get better soon. If you want to help me a little more, you can just share this video with your family, with your friends, and I will be so thankful. And that's it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!